Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read chi, or sen in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means thousand. It has 3 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like sen. On its own, it is usually chi. A slash drawn over 10. 10 lots of 10, making 1,000. Now, let's write it. 3 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Sen means 1,000. Sen'en means 1,000 yen. And sanzen means 3,000. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ju read ju, 10. Dun read hosu, to dry. Notice the small differences. So that's 10,000. 3 strokes, read chi or sen. Try writing it 5 times today.